And we back with another video, back with another banger. Back with another video, back with another banger. Hey, I want some fries with that. 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 That's hard, ain't it?
Yeah.
Looking at it. Hey, but check it out though, man. It's the D.Chanel so we back with another banger. Today we're gonna be making a
vegan chili cheese fries.
Ooh, chili cheese fries, vegan style. So let's get to it then, man. We ain't gonna waste no time, you hear me? So what's the first step, man? So what's the first step, bruh?
Take your fries, bruh, and put them into the steamer for about 15 to 20 minutes until they're tender.
So let's get it then.
Come on, bruh. Guys, so once you steamed your potatoes, go ahead and toss them into your pan. So this is what it should be looking like. So now you're just gonna go ahead and put it in the oven for 20 minutes.
Let's go get it.
Alright, you guys, so now we're just gonna go ahead and start on our cheese sauce. So you're gonna go ahead and add in your potatoes, your lemon juice, garlic powder, nutritional yeast, salt, and pepper to taste. So now we're gonna go.
Alright, you guys, so we finna get started on the chili portion. So with that being said, first we're gonna take our onions and our garlic and simmer for 15 minutes.
First you're gonna take your onions and garlic, put them in the pan with 1/4 of water and saute for 10 minutes. guys, so now the onions are all sauteed, so we're just gonna go ahead and add the beans, tomatoes, and the chili powder. What did you do?
Tried to kiss you, and you walked off.
I'm sorry, I didn't see you.
Come on. No, that fake ass shit.
No,
Come on.
I want it.
Come on.
Fuck.
Here, you should have got it when you could have.
I didn't do it on purpose. That's the thing.
Come on.
So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add in your seasonings and then your lemon juice and let it cook for a few more minutes.
That bad being big. But I bet that better boo. So we just wrap everything up, man. So we finna, now we making the food now, you know what I'm saying? Now we finally making the food, so we finna bring the chili and the cheese on top of the fries. And then we're gonna throw it in the oven.
Yes, sir.
So let's start the process. Look at that bit. Look at that bit. That bit right there smell good. Throw that bit up in that oven then. Yeah. Let's throw that bit up in that oven then.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
So this is
Let's
what
throw
it's
that.
looking like. Now you just gonna put it in the oven for 20 minutes.
Let it ride.
Alright, you guys. So it's been 20 minutes and the chili cheese fries are finally done. You wanna show them, honey?
Let me show.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't want to do too much.
Yeah, don't do too much.
It sure got the. Alright, so we finna go ahead and get this thing plated up so we can taste it up. You know what I mean? So with that being said, we'll be right back. I just got that thing plated, so we finna go ahead and go in, you know what I'm saying? So with that being said, man, this is once again the
D.Chanel show.
and this is the
Chili cheese fries.
vegan chili cheese fries, you know what I'm saying? So hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and jump down in that comment section and run it up with it. It is. And we out. Peace. This thing looks so, I don't know where to start, man.
I didn't even get everything.
Like it forks. Oh, that look pressure right there. That look pressure right there, gang. Got everything. Shit.